We'll guide you through how to fix not receiving verification codes on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. It's an annoying problem when verification codes aren't coming through on your iPhone, as perhaps trying to go and sign up for an account, go and verify an account, or do something else, and they aren't coming through. We've got some different fixes you can try to go and hopefully get this working. So make sure it's this full video and let's get started. What you want to try doing is dragging down in the top right of your control center like so. And what you can try doing is enabling airplane mode like this. Do it for a few seconds, go and wait. Then you want to go and tap it again. This will go and restart the connection and reconnect to the mobile network. And sometimes it can go and trigger the messages to come through as you go and get a fresh connection. As you can see, be patient and see if they come through. Hopefully they do. If you find they still don't, what we're going to try doing is performing a forced restart, as this consent is going to resolve the problem. So what you want to try doing is pressing the volume increase, then decrease, and tap and hold the side power button. Keep this held down. Shortly your phone screen is going to go black, but regardless, you keep the button held down. We're only going to go and release it when you go and see the Apple icon, as this indicates it's coming back on. So go and wait, and as you can see, there it is. Now wait, and shortly it's going to go and start again. Once again, this just goes and restarts everything. And if there's a problem from the not coming through, hopefully this will solve it. It's now back on. So what you can try doing is getting the verification code resent. Hopefully now it will come through. If you're finding that it still won't, the next I'm going to try doing is opening up the settings app like this. Now you want to go and scroll down to the bottom and you can go and find the option for apps and tap there. Now you want to go and scroll down and find the option for M. This is alphabetical. And in there, we'll go and find messages. As you can see, there it is. Go and tap on it. Now you want to go and scroll down and you want to go and find the unknown senders options. So if you find these are currently turned on like this, and you may find that notifications are switched off as well, then this could be why you're not having them coming through. So if they're switched on, what you need to do is come out of the settings app and come back to your messages app and go and press the three lines, which is the filter button in the top right. And you need to go and check for unknown senders. And you want to go and check in spam as well, because they may be detected as spam as they're quite a generic message. So what you can then do is go and check that. And if they're there, then great, you can go and use them. If they're not, then what you want to do is come back to your settings and we can go and turn these off like so. Now you turn those off. The next you want to try doing is coming down and you want to go to block contacts. Tap here and you can go through the unknown ones here. Now what you want to do is make sure there's no short number which you blocked, as often codes come from like a short number or like an unusual number. Maybe you accidentally blocked it because you thought it was spam, but it turns out it isn't. So what you want to try doing is going through that list, and if you see anything which could be a verification code number, try unblocking it. And then you can get the code resent and go and see if it will come through, and hopefully it does. If you're still finding that it isn't coming through, this isn't ideal, but you could try seeing if there's another verification way. For example, in some cases, they may be able to go and send it via your email instead. That isn't always going to apply though, I understand that. So another thing you can try doing is contacting your carrier. There may be some type of reason why they're not coming through, and so contacting them, they can go and help you with it. It can just be worth waiting, as the code sometimes can be very delayed when coming through, and if there's a lot of usage on that verification code system, that may be why it's not coming through, and you can try again later, and then hopefully it'll come through. If you're still finding that it isn't after waiting, this next method will depend on your circumstance. But if you're just trying to go and set up a new account, or you're trying to go and add a number to an account and you're not trying to use your existing or old number, what you can try doing is getting a new number to go and use that to go and verify the account in case there's a problem with your old number. Of course, if you're trying to get the code to your old number, this won't go and work, or your current number, I should say. But what you could try doing is using a different number. So you could go and get a SIM from a shop, or the easiest thing to do is go and use an eSIM. And with an eSIM, you can then go and install that on your phone without having to go to a shop and buying it physically. And then you can try using that new number you've got, and hopefully the codes will then come through on there. So that's it. There's some different solutions. Hopefully you managed to get the verification code come through. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the future. Have a great day. Goodbye for now.